Hello students, now we are going to discuss about the non-contact forces. Non-contact forces are those forces that come into play when interacting bodies are not in contact with each other or are at a distance. It is also referred to as action at a distance. So we will discuss some important non-contact forces. Different types of non-contact forces are gravitational, electrostatic and magnetic force. First we will study about the magnetic force. And students, to study this, we need to perform a small activity. For this, take a pair of bar magnets. Now place one of the magnets over 3 round shaped pencils, or you can use wooden rollers also. Now bring one end of the other magnet near the end of the magnet which is placed on the pencils. Make sure that the two magnets do not touch each other. Now observe. So students, we will observe that the magnets, they get attracted towards each other. So the pencil rolls and the magnet kept on the pencils will come close to the end of the magnet and will stick to it. Now bring the other end of the magnet near the same end of the magnet placed on the pencils. So we will observe that now the magnets, they get repelled, means the magnets, they will move to the opposite sides. So the magnet which is kept on the pencils will move away. So this means that there is some repulsion force acting on this magnet. This activity shows that the magnet on the rollers always begin to move when the other magnet is brought near it. Sometimes the magnet on the pencils moves in the direction of the approaching magnet, whereas sometimes it moves away or opposite to the direction of the approaching magnet. This happens just because there is some force acting between these two magnets. Students, you have already learned in your lower classes that when the like poles of two magnets are brought close to each other, then they repel. And when unlike poles are brought close to each other, then they attract each other. So students, we can say that attraction or repulsion between objects can also be seen as another form of pull or push. A magnet can exert a force on another magnet without being in contact with it. So the force exerted by a magnet is an example of a non-contact force. Students, in our day-to-day life, we make use of this type of force. This force is used in cranes to lift heavy loads and to separate iron objects from garbage, etc. Magnetic force can be easily demonstrated by iron fillings and a magnet. When a magnet is brought close to iron fillings, the fillings cling to the magnet.